Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday. It is 9:15. I could not fall asleep last night. I fell asleep probably after midnight. I was chatting to actually a couple of you guys, but woke up at like 3:30 this morning. Charlotte did wake up, and then I could not fall asleep, so I was just watching a couple things on my phone, and then I fell asleep. But yeah, 9:15. I just emptied the dishwasher, loaded it. I have a bunch of dishes in the sink that I'm gonna hand wash, and then I'm just kind of clearing off the countertop. I'm gonna pick up a lot of stuff right now, and then I gotta throw some stuff out in the recycling. I gotta throw my receipts away. I got receipts all over the place because I kind of wait until they get approved before I throw them away. God, yeah. So one thing is, I contacted Ibotta about the all rebate from Sunday, and they messaged me back saying that they're forwarding this to somebody else, and I'm like, okay. Then I looked at my Ibotta account this morning. At 3:41 this morning, they took my $2 off Renews It Ibotta rebate. It's gone. It said they took $2 away from my account, and I'm like, what? Why? So I messaged them saying, I bought the correct thing, I scanned the right item, everything got approved. Why is it 2 days later almost that I'm getting a reverse $2 taken from my account? Like, really? So if you guys have done the Renews It deal, check your Ibotta account, because I don't know why. I've been paying attention more to Ibotta because I feel like they're trying to screw us over. I mean, I understand, there's certain things, but I feel like, I don't know if the company's hurting or if they have just one person doing customer service. But I mean, it's just like nonstop. I hear so many people having problems with Ibotta. I don't know if it's with their customer service. I feel like I want to contact somebody directly and ask them a few questions, because it's just nothing but problems lately. Like, I've had to message them at least once a week. Today, now it's 2 times this week. And yesterday when I submitted my pick and save receipt, I had everything on there. It had the price on there. And then, I think it was like $10. I think it was like $10 and something. And then it said 8 something pending. And I'm like, are you serious? So that's why I screenshot everything that I scan, because then I can shove it in their face that I did have this correctly. So then all of a sudden, then when I got approved like an hour or so later, it said it was 10 something. So I'm like, okay, that's just kind of weird. But I really want to know why the $2 got reversed for Renews It. I just don't understand. And why at 3:41 in the morning? Like, do they think that's when they can start taking money out of my account? So yeah, so I want that back, and I also want my rebate count back, because I'm for Team Beach Ball. So that's just something that's upsetting me. Go get dressed, honey. So Grim's parents are coming to take Ben out for a walk today at 10 o'clock. I'm going to try to start a load of laundry, and I'm just going to kind of pick up while Ben's gone. I want this place like really clean. And then I'm also going to start a couple of cups. I'm also going to order some cups today. And I want to do the one DIY that I was going to do yesterday. I want to do that one, but I just ordered some stuff from Amazon, so it's supposed to be here on Wednesday. Hopefully everything comes on Wednesday. But I really want to get that started because I'm super excited to make that. I was surprised to find those cups the way I wanted. Like, I don't like calling Starbucks. I've called Starbucks a couple times, and I just don't like calling them. Even though there's like no customers inside, I just feel like it. But they had it where you can only have 2 customers in the store at a time, and you can only like grab your stuff. And I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna see if they have any cups, and then I'll just go through the drive-thru and purchase them. But he's like, oh no, you can purchase them here. And I'm like, sweet. So I'm really excited to get these. I want to find the smaller ones, but you know what, for now this will do. So I keep going out of focus, but I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna start picking up. I gotta do my dishes. You guys can see I'm gonna wash my cup. I wash it all the time, but I'm gonna wash that, get some receipts thrown away. I gotta work on 2 shirts. I gotta get those mailed out hopefully today. So that is what I'm going to be working on, just getting some stuff done. Picking up the baby stuff. I'm gonna organize the diapers, get some stuff in the laundry. So I will see you guys again later when I have more stuff done. I gotta make sure Ben's not in the background. I'll catch you guys back. Hey you guys, so it is 12:16. I did the t-shirt thing again. I'm doing it a little bit differently, but I think I'm gonna try it on Friday night and then wake up Saturday morning. with it and see how it goes, because I might, you know, dress that way for couponing Sunday. I don't know. But yeah, Charlotte is, Grandma and everybody got home. Charlotte is currently taking a nap. Ben and Grandma and Grandpa went out to go play in a park, so I probably have like 2 hours. So what I'm actually doing is I'm picking up a lot of stuff here and there. I'm going to put some more toys away, get rid of more things to put away. Ben dug out a lot of the movies because he wants to like watch all these movies, so I'm going to put those back also. And then just kind of pick up here and there, and then I have to make 2 t-shirts and hopefully get them. I can't put them in the mail today because they got to sit for like 24 hours and I don't want the heat to get them. So I'm going to definitely make them today. I should probably do it right now since Miss Charlotte is sleeping. At least get them cut out. And I have to see how much vinyl I have because I want to make a shirt for myself, but I do have to order some more vinyl. And there's a sale going on today, so I should order some stuff anyways. But I'm going to order some more vinyl. I'm going to order some more jewels. I'm going to make a Halloween cup. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to make a Halloween cup. Yes. But it's just Miss Charlotte, or Miss Paris and I were just chilling. So that is how my day is going. I wish I cleaned my desk up, but that's for another day. That's for another day. But yeah, so I'm gonna just kind of pick up. I'm gonna run the dishwasher. I fully loaded that. I gotta pick up some clothes that somehow keep appearing. I walk around the house and more clothes appear, and more clothes and more clothes. I'm like, does the clothes ever end? No. So that's how my day is going, guys. But I just want a nice, easy day. I'm not going anywhere today. I just want to sit home and relax. I'm probably going to put a movie on to just kind of have in the background for background noise. So that's how my day is going. My day is going pretty productive. So yeah, you know what's funny is like today is like the middle of July already, and like Ben's birthday is at the beginning of September, and I usually, you know, get his birthday stuff way in advance. You know, but he wants Legos this year, so I'm just going to buy stuff at the Dollar Tree. But we don't know if he's going to have a birthday party, but I feel like we should have some kind of a birthday party with some friends. So I think we might invite like 3 or 4 people maybe over. I don't know. Like the ones that we've been playing with lately, I think we're just going to have somebody over so he can have some people, you know, over. But I want to do the decorating. You know, I love to decorate. That's one thing I'd love. And then when you guys saw the background that I did for Charlotte's baby or birthday party, I think I want to do the same thing but with Lego colors, and I'm actually going to make a video how I made it. So, you know, why not? Why not? So that is how my day is going, you guys. Going pretty good. So yeah, this place is not that bad. I really want to get rid of this bouncer. I've been really trying to get rid of this bouncer. I'm probably going to give it until the end of the week, and if nobody takes it, I'm going to go drop it off at a place called Once Upon a Child that takes used baby stuff. I just want to get it out of here. It's such a pain in the butt. But I have been changing Charlotte in the changing table lately, so that's been a big help right there. I should empty all, I got a package of diapers I got to open up and put it there. But yeah, I'm just getting some stuff done. I'm gonna shut up so I can get some more stuff done. Hello, everybody. So it is 4:20. Yeah.
I keep putting candy inside toys.
Okay. So I wasn't vlogging at all, I don't think, while I was by myself. I don't know. Charlotte was taking a long nap, and I got some t-shirts finished, you guys. I finished the shirt that I've been working on for a while. I just finished this, so I wanted to try it out. Like, I have a hard time centering shirts. I don't know why. I do it correctly, but this time it looks right. So I love this because my favorite characters are Scream, and I love Pennywise. I also like Chucky. But, I mean, we got all the famous killers, you know? Just loving it.
My name is Chucky. Wow.
My name's Chucky. I'm Chucky. Wanna play? So, Ben was that. And so then I have a friend that is pregnant, so I made her a shirt that says, or a onesie that says, well played, quarantine. And she wants a shirt made for herself, if I can get it, that says it's not a food baby. So I'm gonna mail those out tomorrow. They just have to kind of sit, so I'm gonna take this shirt off in just a second. I just had to try it on. I absolutely loved it. Like, I feel like it's crooked again. I hate it. I don't know. But I did get some stuff done. Right now I'm eating an early dinner because I'll probably have a little snack later on. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain. I don't know. These kids have been playing in our backyard for hours. Like, not in our direct backyard, but we have like a little walking trail. I don't know if you guys can see it. No, you guys can't. It's like a walking trail, and their bikes have been sitting there for a long time. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna start packing up my t-shirt stuff, put all that stuff away, and then I am gonna order some jewels. Gotta get that done right away, and I will catch you guys back in a little bit once I have more stuff done. Guys, I'm all yellow. Yes. So it is currently 9:15 and both children are asleep. Charlotte fell asleep about maybe 30 minutes ago. Paris will not shut up. And Ben like fell asleep on the couch, and so I had to go lay with him until he passed out, which was like 2 minutes. And then I got stuck in the wonderful world of TikTok. Yeah, I really like the way my hair has been curling. I'm gonna try it sometime overnight, but I just liked it. I tried it a little bit differently this morning, but I'm really trying to do more things with my hair. Just not being like all frizzy and all that stuff, so that is going on. So I called my dad today, and if you guys don't know, my parents were divorced when I was 2 years old, and my dad, he's never really been there for me, probably until when I was 10 years old. He moved to Arkansas, and you know, he's my dad. It's basically that, but there was a time where I didn't see him for a long time, and it's not because not by choice. It's just I was like, you know, I didn't have a driver's license, so it was kind of hard for people to lug me around and stuff. But he's lived in Arkansas, I think, going on 26 years is what he told me. And, you know, I talk to him every once in a while. For a while there, I was only talking to him maybe once or twice a year. I usually talk to him on Christmas, and then I talk to him on my birthday. But he always forgets my birthday because I have a brother and a sister that are his kids too, my halves. And my one brother, he's, I don't see them very often either, but he's a couple days away from my birthday, so that's how my dad remembers. But I was just talking to my dad today. When I fell down the stairs a couple months ago, he found out that I fell down the stairs from my brother. I'm friends with my brother and sister on Facebook, but it's weird calling them my brother and sister because they were like 20 years old when I was born. So there's like, you know, I think it was one was 17, one was 18. So we're almost like a 20-year age gap. And my sister has a son who's the same age as my brother. Like my mom had 2 kids with my stepdad, and those are like my brothers. Like I call them my brothers. They will always be my brothers. But it's funny how I have like a nephew and a brother that are the same age. So, and then my nephew had his daughter. I think they had a daughter. Yeah, they have 2 kids. They had their daughter around the same time as Charlotte was, or a little before, right after Ben was born, and then they had their second one right around Charlotte. So it's kind of weird, But yeah, I was just talking to my dad. He says there's like no virus anywhere in his area, but he lives like in a small town. So that was kind of cool. Just got talking to him. But what I was saying is he called me when I fell down the stairs a couple months ago. So, you know, he was just, you know, calling me, asking me how everything's going. I still have my hematoma. I still have that bump on my back, but I talked to him for a good like 30-40 minutes. So that was nice. I think I talked to him maybe in March, maybe April is when the last time I talked to him. So I've been trying to talk to him more and more. He's a lot older than my mom. I think he's like in his 70s. So, you know, I don't know how long it's gonna be with him, but I mean, I gotta talk to him more and more. So I felt like I needed to talk. So yeah, Ben found the markers. I had markers put away in a box, and he found them, and then him and Charlotte started coloring. So I'm going to put all the markers back in a box and hide them again, because that's just what I do, is I just take the toys and hide them. But I've been really trying to keep up, you know, picking up and getting things. Tomorrow I'm going to try to clear off the kitchen table. there's not much on there. I've been, you know, my crafts are now at my one table, and this is kind of just stuff I gotta put away. Like I have a, you know, a movie box that I'm gonna go put with the movies, so I gotta organize my movies. But tomorrow, I don't know what we're gonna do. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tonight, and then it's supposed to rain tomorrow. I have no idea how much rain we're gonna get. I'm okay with it raining tomorrow because then I can get some more stuff done. I think we might go for a ride and drop off some movies at the library. But, well, funny thing is, like, I was reading that, there's a change shortage going on in the United States. And the reason why it happened is because when they shut everything down, they shut the money down. So there's not a lot of coins circulating because there's a lot of people that like save their coins, which I'm a person who saves all my coins because I want to, like, you know, save it up to go on a trip. And I have, like, I don't have as much as I've done. A couple years ago, I actually did a video of how I cashed in my coins, and I had like $566 of coins just from saving up. And so we've been saving up coins for about 2.5 years now, maybe three. No, it was 2 years, because it was right when I cashed it in right before we went to Disney World, and then I found out I was pregnant. So yeah, about 2 years. And so yeah, so I'm like, Graham, should I cash them in? And he's like, no, you shouldn't. But I'm like, I feel like I should, just because Paris has got something in her ear, but I feel like I should, just because with all the outage. But there's some places that aren't even taking any. They'll either, you have to give them the exact change, or they'll keep your extra change and like donate it someplace is what they're gonna do, or something. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think on something like that. Sorry, I'm just touching my cat, getting the Akis out of her eyes. She's like my mini-me. She follows me everywhere I go. But I don't know. I want to cash it in, but I want to save it for like a trip. But I'm like, I should just cash it in, because it's like, I don't need it. I just want to cash it in. So I don't know. But if I do cash it in, I'm probably going to make a video for it. I don't know. Tomorrow's Wednesday. I have to find my laptop cord. I somehow lost it, and I have searched high and low for it. I have no idea where it is. But I'm going to go to my mom's house next week on Tuesday, and I'm probably going to stay until Friday. And I plan on doing some videos at her house, but I need my laptop cord to bring to her house so I can get some videos done. I mean, I could pack up my computer, but that's just stupid. Right, Miss Charlotte, or Paris? So, yeah, but I'm happy I got my shirts done today. I got some cleaning done. I got some stuff done. And I still had a nice, relaxing day. But now I'm just going to upload this video. I'm drinking a yogurt smoothie drink right now. And then I'm just going to kind of pop a movie on that I'm not going to really pay attention. I should watch the rest of the Babysitters Club. I got a little bit left of that. But that's how my night is going. It's just going to be a nice, relaxing night with me and Miss Perry. Perry baby. Yes. So I will see you guys again tomorrow for another exciting day of my life. See ya. Bye-bye.